Mahindra refreshly launched trio of special edition pickup models are perfect for off-road use, has expanded its increasingly popular pickup range with the addition of a trio of special edition models, positioned right at the summit of the locally assembled pickup lineup: the Karoo Dusk, the Karoo Dawn, and Karoo Storm double cabs. What do you score for the extra outlay? Just like the previous Karoo Dusk, each of the three models is fitted with what Mahindra describes as heavy-duty off-road suspension, along with off-road tires. Front and rear steel bumpers are likewise standard. In addition, the rear steps gains a non-slip finish, while the front bumper is fitted with LED driving lights. All special editions model furthermore boost rear over fenders and rubberized load bins, along with models specific exterior decals, Karoo branded carpets, a notched bar, and a load bin mounted sport bar, complete with Karoo detailing. The Pik Up Karoo Dusk comes with black exterior paint along with black and blue Karoo decals. A dark finish has also been applied to items such as sports bar and roller shutter doors. Meanwhile, the Pik Up Karoo Dawn is finished in a sandy beige color, perhaps inspired by color offered on the Toyota Land Cruiser 79 series. With the decals featuring orange highlights, it shares many features with the Karoo Dusk, with the exception of items such as roller shutter door, but also gained a heavy-duty roof rack and flash-mounted tonneau cover. Finally, the Pik Up Karoo Storm is finished in a light blue and grey color, which is accented by the black and grey Karoo decal set. Mahindra has also seen fit to upgrade the clothes to leather upholstery and ditch the 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system in favor of a 9-inch version featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and built-in maps. In terms of performance, the trio special editions are each fitted with the Indian's brand Hook 2.2-liter turbodiesel engine, which delivers 103 kilowatts and 320 newtons meter of torque to all four wheels via an ICN-sourced 6-speed automatic transmission. All trio special edition pickup models are priced over 600,000 rand, starting with Mahindra Pickup S11 Karoo Dusk, which is priced at 642,999 rand, followed by the Mahindra Pickup S11 Karoo Dawn and Mahindra Pickup S11 Karoo Storm. All are priced at 657,999 rand. The purchase price includes a 4-year 120,000 kilometer mechanical warranty and 5-year 90,000 kilometer service plan. You can get yourself one of these trio special edition pickup from Mahindra Trichardt, which is under BB Group Nissan Mount Fuji Trichardt. All information will be under description. You can call this dealership if you are looking for one of these. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Support local YouTube. Take care until the next one.